back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a triple slide fifth wheel. This is a 3190 Sprinter Limited by Keystone RV. The 3190 is a triple slide fifth wheel with rear living, all the appointments that you would want, and just an absolute beautiful layout and storage. So we'll take a quick look here as we approach the door. Up front we have the road armor hitch, so that will take some of the chucking out when you're towing down the road. Nice large awning over the camping area. You'll notice dark tinted windows, and they're large windows. Now our storage compartment is nice and large and clean. You'll notice that silver box on the other side is our inverter, and there is a solar panel on board as well. Plus we have the in command, so you can actually get an app for your phone and operate a majority of the functions right off your phone. The nice lippered solid steps, and this does have the premium thermal package, so you're going to get a little more insulation, and the SolarFlex 200, as I mentioned, the solar panel on the roof. When we walk in, you'll actually walk into a really nice layout. Now we're very familiar with this layout. This is similar to the RVingtv fifth wheel that we're using from a layout standpoint. So you come in, you're greeted by a center island, your freestanding table and chairs. They're currently in storage mode, as this trailer has to be moved around the dealer's lot after we're done. Nice large home theater seating, and these are power home theater seats that the footrests will come up and recline. We have a nice large sofa at the back with tables on each side, so you have a bit of space to put down your drink, your phone, set a tablet down, whatever it happens to be. Also, let's take a little look. This is going to be a tri-fold sofa for sleeping if you have extra guests. Now for storage, you have some additional storage above, but really that's extra storage. As we make our way back around, our fireplace, our Furrion soundbar, our large screen TV with some storage above, a great spot to place DVDs, books, remote controls. Now, storage-wise, it's really about this pantry. Take a look. It's a nice tall pantry, very wide, very spacious for carrying your gear. And when I say gear, I really should say your food. You want to maybe tuck, I'll tell you, in ours, we have a very similar pantry. I actually put pots and pans in there. I've put our electric griddle in there, a few baskets with some food and accessories. So it's very flexible that way, this size of pantry. Now we have the 3-burner range, larger oven, which is really nice, storage underneath the oven as well as to the side. Our microwave is a residential style microwave, so it's nice and large. And then we have a residential fridge. So let's pop the fridge open. Now it hasn't been unpacked yet, but you'll notice it's a nice deep fridge. Plus you have 2 drawers. So you have this freezer drawer, and then we'll pop open the lower freezer drawer. Plus, let's close it back up. When you close it back up, look how stunning that fridge looks. Now our countertops are solid surface countertops, nice big double stainless steel sink with the residential faucet that pulls down, so that way you don't get water splashing everywhere when you're doing your dishes. And then I find this very handy. As I mentioned, our RVingtv fifth wheel is this actual layout. This countertop here and the storage below is really handy. You have good sized drawers and a decent cabinet there. This should be the bigger cabinet. Larger cabinet there for taller items. Plus we have overhead storage. This countertop is great because you have a 110 plug here, And myself, I actually put my toaster, my Keurig, you could put your Nespresso here as well if you're a real coffee lover. And this becomes a great little workstation. Plus, I've actually put, for prepping, I've put a large cutting board that, you know, takes about this amount of space in the corner here, so I can use it for prep, my toaster, my coffee, and it's out of the way from our regular island. So just some ideas at the flexibility. Plus, remember, you have some prep space next to your 3-burner stove. You have lots of room in here. Now let's take a little walk up front. We'll take a look at the washroom. Good size countertop, good size sink. Our medicine cabinet is a nice size, good depth, plus it has the depth here on the shelves, so you don't open the door and you've been going down some rough roads and everything falls out. Our porcelain toilet is right here, and then additional storage. We've got a great linen closet here that you can put lots of linens, towels, etc. Big rectangular shower with the seat in it, and it's a fiberglass surround with a skylight. Sorry folks, if you saw the camera jump, you can have a good laugh. I was just on the edge of the step when I was stepping back, focusing on the video. So we may put that in a blooper one day for you. On a slide in the bedroom, we have a king size bed here with windows for cross ventilation. And then big wardrobe closet up front, plus additional closet here, and lots of drawer space, 3 big deep drawers. Now let's take you over here, because this is the closet you really want to know about. Then we'll show you the wardrobe. This is prepped for a combination washer dryer. So if you don't need the washer dryer, use it as storage. But you want to take longer trips, spend the winter down south, it's ready to go. And then our wardrobe is a nice wide wardrobe with full shelf and hanging, nice deep closet. So this is a very spacious layout. You have your 200-watt solar panel on board. And what does that mean? Well, that means right now we are not plugged into power. And yet we're running the lights in this unit. So you've pulled over to a Walmart parking lot, maybe a truck stop. You want to go have a seat, maybe grab a sandwich for lunch. Maybe you want to cook something on the propane cooktop. Well, you don't have to fire up a generator. You don't have to worry about your batteries. That solar panel, because there's no batteries on board right now and no power, and we have enough power being generated to operate our lights. So that's a nice flexibility for when you're traveling. Anyways, this is a video walkthrough of the 3190 Sprinter Limited. Special thank you to Bella Vista RV for giving us access to this unit to bring you this video. They currently have it in stock, so visit their website at www.bellavistarv.com. I'll put a link below. If you like the video, please click the like button. Hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We'd really appreciate it as we push past the 10,000 subscriber mark, so thank you. And check back soon. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted on great RVing products, and I can tell you there are a slew of them coming in the near future. Thanks again. Make sure you live life to the fullest each and every day.